Installing subscribers on Duda.
Hello there, it's Albert from Subscribers, and right now let me show you a quick walkthrough on how to install subscribers in your Duda website platform. This is pretty straightforward installation. All you need to do is navigate in your Duda backend and go to App Store. We'll search for subscribers. Right away, it will prompt you to install the subscribers web push notification app. Hit on install. You'll be prompted to select a plan of your choice. From here, you can view all different plans available as well as the features included. For now, we'll select the 30 days trial. Click on choose and it will install the web push app. Just a matter of seconds. As you can see, the subscribers web push notification app is now installed. Click on got it. And you'll now be prompted to the subscribers dashboard. From here, you can create your opt-in prompt and start sending push notifications. If you select on the settings, which is the gear icon at the top, go to prompt. Uh, the default prompt is the browser native prompt, which you typically see on the website that asking to send push notification to your site visitors. You can also select different types of prompt like the modal. This is a customizable prompt from which you can add your own text and own logo. There is also the option for a bell icon, the clickable bell icon, as well as a sticky bar. Back to the dashboard homepage, you can start sending push notification to your subscribers by simply clicking this new notification button. Say a one-time push, and from here you can start creating your push notification. To learn more about subscribers, you can visit our help page at help.subscribers.com. Thank you so much for watching.
Sign up now to subscribers.com and keep your site visitors coming back with smarter web push notifications with subscribers. Thank you for watching.